3.3, wasn't the M. The M6 is always. Oh, this is a sleeper right here. Oh no, I'm not sure if it is. Oh, what a beaut. I think we got our next interview question.
Shit makes me hate modern cars, to be honest.
Oh, I hate this garbage. Hi.
Hey, how
Question. Whose car is it who?
I don't know. It's hers.
Yours.
Yeah, it's hers.
He just gave it to me. That's
Beautiful.
fine.
Could I do kind of popcorn? Because you also seem interesting. I do like gonzo journalism. It's like
what?
gonzo journalist. Like I go around and just do like independent journalism and street interviews.
Journalism.
Yeah,
Oh,
but street interviews. So not.
taking stories.
Yeah.
Oh, right. You
And
know
I love it.
story?
I love stories.
Yeah, well, we got lots of stories for
That's
you.
it, stories.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
All right.
that's it.
Well, yes.
Very good question. Love your Jaguar.
Thank you.
But I've been asking this around today. What would you say to someone who thinks that, why do we keep these old classic junk cars, like in their perspective? Why do we keep these old things? What would you say?
Why do we keep them?
Yeah.
It's nostalgia. It's history. It's past tense, and you won't see this again. This particular car is a 1995 Jaguar XJS V12. They only made 59 of them in a coupe in 1995, and then they discontinued the car. Of the 59, only 26 were sent to the United States. Of 26, only 6 were made with sapphire blue cream interior. So there's only 6 cars in existence. Who knows how many are left now on the planet?
Ooh.
I have one, and I know of one other person that has one. So there's 2 that I know of, and that could be it. So why do we keep this alive and running well and looking good? Is because when this goes, there may be no more left on the planet. So that's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's beautiful. Like,
So that's the story with a 95 V12 Coupe. It was the last of it.
awesome. And if you could ask, if your car could talk to you, what would it say?
I love you.
I love you. Do you have a name?
Because I take care of it.
You take care of it. You pamper it.
We do. We use it only at special occasions.
That's good.
And this was our furthest trip. We drove up from Rhode Island.
Ooh, that's a haul.
It was a 3-hour ride.
That's a haul.
But it rides beautifully. I just had it tuned up, so it's probably good for the next 30, 40 years. Because,
Beautiful.
I don't put many miles on it. And but it rides beautifully, very comfortable, air conditioned, power windows, power steering, power brakes. So it's got all the luxury, but yet it still has the old school line.
I see you have the old bag too.
The Jaguar
bag.
picnic basket came with the car from the factory in London.
Huh.
Because it was their gift, their parting gift for the last of the car.
Oh, that is
And it was in
amazing.
the trunk when the first person ordered this vehicle, and it came with the car.
Oh, that's like
So
just.
you may never see one of those either.
Oh, that's like just English pedigree right
Yeah,
there.
and it's monogrammed. It has Jaguar glasses. It has Jaguar blankets. That's a bottle opener, Jaguar bottle opener, and cutting board, the Jaguar insignia. So that also is extremely rare.
He's a very.
So I think if we keep this alive and show ready, we can tell people the story.
That's right. Beautiful. Well, thank you so much.
Oh, I thank you for interviewing me.
Pleasure.
How did I do? All right.
Beautiful.
Very good.
Very
Really?
good.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm